Standard First. Subject English. Chapter Fun Time. Children, today we are going to do an interesting activity. Let's see how to write letters from A to H and how can we find them in different pictures. See letter A. Now you can draw an ant with letter A. This is how you write letter B. And this is how you can draw a bird with letter B. Writing letter C is very simple. You can draw a cat with the help of letter C. This is how you should write letter D. You can draw a dog with the help of letter D. Writing letter E is very simple. You can draw I with the help of letter E. This is how you have to write letter F. You can draw a flag with the help of letter F. Now this is G. You can draw grapes with the help of letter G. This is letter H. You can draw a house with the letter H. Children, in this way you can easily write letters A to H and draw different pictures. Goodbye.